Hello Python programmers, this is AK. In these tutorials, I will show you about how to make a simple chatbot program using Python. So before start to code, you need to know about two things. What is meant by chatbot and what is meant by NLTK. So first, what is meant by chatbot? Chatbot is a computer program or an artificial intelligence which conducts a conversation via textual methods to the business clients. So this is the definition of chatbot. After that, you need to know about what is meant by NLTK. NLTK is abbreviated as Natural Language Toolkit. NLTK is a leading platform for building Python programs to work with human language data. Okay, so NLTK is available for free platforms. So NLTK is available for Windows, Mac and Linux, and also NLTK is free and open source. You can use it anywhere without free of cost. So let's start to code. First of all, you need to import the NLTK module here. Okay. Okay. So this is the module that we imported. Okay. So NLTK.chat is the module that is provided by NLTK package. Okay. Using this module, we are going to perform this chatbot operation in our program. From this module, we are going to initiate the simple chatbot. Okay, here I am importing the two modules here, chat and reflections. Okay, so I will tell you later what is meant by chat and reflections. So after importing the modules, we need to concentrate on the conversations. Okay, so this conversation contains some of the real-time conversation that we need to insert into our chatbot. Actually, this variables contains some of the real-time questions and answers. Okay, so the question is for the clients and the answer is for the chatbot. Okay, so consider this example. So if you are a client and you are asking a questions to the chatbot, so consider this question, how are you, to the chatbot. So you are asking the question to the chatbot. Okay, so it identifies the question and replies the suitable answer to that question. So this is the basic steps to create a chatbot. First, our chatbot identifies the questions. Okay, it identifies the question by using the NLTK library. Okay, so this is the basic thing to create a chatbot. Okay, so this is the brief explanation of this part. So after inserting the conversations, we need to declare a function. Okay, so let's create a function. Okay, so this function explains that when this function is triggered, it will print the welcome chat like hi, I'm chatbot. Okay, so after that we need to create a chat. Okay, so we need to start the conversations. Okay, so let's create a variable called chat. So this step is one of the important step. Okay, so here we are creating the variable that is called as chat. Okay, so using this variable we are going to create a object that is called as chat object. In the chat object we are going to pass the two parameters that is called as conversations that we already created and reflections. Reflection is a dictionary file that contains set of input values and it contains corresponding output values also. So it is one of the dictionary file. So all the conditions and all the statements are in the dictionary format. Okay, so that is present in the NLTK module. It is defaultly present in the NLTK module. So there is no need to any installation for this. So after getting the definition of reflections, we need to So we need to start our conversations with our chatbot. So that means our output. We are in the final stage. Okay. So this is our output. Okay. So it will work perfectly. So let's say hello to our chatbot. Okay. So it replies some of the gestures. Okay, it will from the reflections. Okay, so the reflection is a dictionary file that contains a set of input values and it have same corresponding output values also. So it's a built-in file, so there is no need to installations. Okay, so it is basically present in the NLTK module. Okay, so if you are installing the NLTK module, so it will automatically installed with that NLTK module. Okay. So our chatbot works perfectly. Okay, once again I will explain clearly. Okay, so the first step, it explains that we are importing the nltk.chat package. From this package we are importing two modules. Okay, chat and reflections. Okay, in the second step we are creating the conversation. Okay, so we are manually inserting some of the conversations into our chatbot. So when you are asking any question from this conversation, the chatbot identifies that question and it replies the answer. We are giving one function. So using this function we are going to invoke our chatbot. Okay, so after that chat.converse, this is our final step. Okay, so this step explains that we are going to start our conversations with our chatbot. So this is the basic idea to how to create a chatbot, okay, using NLTK module. So thanks for watching and keep support me to reach 2000 subscribers on YouTube. Thanks for watching and thank you.